Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the cast metal closely to define crack length and depth. Dye penetrant or a bright light helps reveal hairline flaws. Once done, remove contaminants and scale, degrease, wire brush, and sand to solid metal so repairs bond. You clamp or support thin sections to avoid distortion during heat work. Make sure to select a compatible filler or rod for the alloy because metallurgical match prevents brittleness. Now position tools and PPE so you can move immediately. You next preheat the part to the recommended range to slow cooling and reduce stress. This matters with thick or ductile alloys. Then choose TIG, MIG, or brazing depending on alloy and access. Use short tack welds, let the metal cool slightly, and peen to relieve stress. Make successive passes, building profile slightly over final size. Once the deposit is complete, grind and blend smoothly while keeping temperatures controlled, because overheating will change temper and invite new cracks. You finish by carefully grinding to the original geometry and polishing to remove stress risers. Take light passes to avoid overthinning the repair. Once shaped, consider a stress relief bake or normalize cycle for cast steels so residual stresses dissipate. Cool slowly to prevent new cracks. After cooling, inspect with dye penetrant or magnetic particle testing to confirm no subsurface flaws remain. If functional, perform a fit or pressure test. If a defect appears, isolate the area and repeat welding after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.